Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to HCL Tech IBM Hero test mail update. Hiring is ongoing. In this video we will discuss about 3 companies important updates. Let's start the video. One of the most important point, I upload one opportunity on our channel from Hero and LimeChat. So when we are applying for the opportunity for the Hero, so basically in Hero hiring form there is only 24, 25, 26, 27 batch option is shown. So according to your batch you can apply. Okay, and for the 22, 23 batch you can check the LimeChat opportunity. Okay, so basically HCL Tech is officially sending the mails to candidates. One candidate got the mail from HCL team and he have to fill the form before 27 December at the rate 11 am. So one of the most important point, it is a graduate trainee role. Okay, so the graduate engineer trainee role is different, graduate trainee role is different, and there are one more role that is related to the postgraduate trainee. So graduate engineer training is for BE, BTech, ME, MTech. Graduate trainee is for BA, BBA, BCom, BCA, BSc, B Pharma, and postgraduate for MBA, PGDM. So basically if you not applied for this opportunity, hiring is always open from HCL Tech. If you are new user, so only they will send you the mail that is related to hiring. Okay, so I think the package is 2 LPA plus for this hiring, because this is related to graduate trainee role. It is not related to graduate engineer trainee. Okay, so like if you want to apply for this opportunity, the hiring form is open, but if you applied previously, so they not giving the opportunity to apply again. Okay, so one of the most important point, we have a three important updates. IBM software developer hiring is ongoing, IBM AAC role hiring, and Hero direct hiring challenge. So I posted opportunity on our channel yesterday. It is from IBM direct test. Okay, my brother also received the mail in after applying, he applied for the opportunity on 7:35 p.m. 27 December means yesterday, and within 20 to 25 minutes he got the assessment mail. Okay, so it is very important. I already mentioned in the IBM video that how to prepare for the test or what are the test pattern. Okay, so let's discuss about the IBM software developer hiring challenge. Basically IBM software developer hiring challenge has a coding challenge. After that it will totally depends on them whether they will conduct the another round for test or they will conduct the direct interview opportunity. Okay, or interview will be interview will face to face. It will totally depends on them, or online. Okay, they will share updates in the next upcoming mail. As well as if you applied for the AAC role hiring, like many candidates mention that I applied for this opportunity, I am from 22 batch. So basically they are not hiring for 22 batch. They already mentioned that ready to kickstart your career in 23, and they mentioned that only 23 batch is eligible for this opportunity. Okay, for AAC they mentioned that completion year is 23, BE BTech graduates from CSIT branch. So basically if you are interested for IBM opportunity, apply for software developer hiring. I think the software developer hiring is still active. It is one of the most important point. Okay, so let's check that hiring is active or not. So okay, so the hiring is active, location is Kochi, and candidates are also receiving the test mail. So this is one of the most important point. Okay, so अगर मान लीजिए एक पॉइंट मैं आपको और बताना चाहता हूँ जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, क्योंकि क्या होगा कि अगर मान लीजिए कल से हमें कोई भी अपडेट आता है, सो वी हैव टू चेक इफ यू अप्लाइड फॉर AAC, if you applied for software developer role. Okay, suppose your examination is completed for AAC also and software developer role also, but later stage if you cleared both examination, okay, so follow only one process, only one role process. या तो आप सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर की हायरिंग के साथ कंटिन्यू कीजिएगा या तो फिर AAC के साथ. ओके, क्योंकि वहाँ पर मिसमैच ना हो जाए कि यहाँ पर भी इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल हो गया, फिर कभी प्रोफाइल में ये दिख गया कि एक साथ 2 हायरिंग के इंटरव्यू चल रहे हैं. तो इट विल टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन IBM टीम वेदर दे विल कंसिडर्ड, बट देयर इज वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, देयर इज नो कूलिंग पीरियड फॉर दिस हायरिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज़ लाइक कि आप इसमें भी अप्लाई कर दिया आपने, इसमें भी, तो ऐसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं आने वाली है. बट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. सो Hero direct hiring challenge is ongoing. Like basically test is start from after 5th January. So if you not applied for this opportunity, check. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.